Tréis do stair van amach nor a bhúdar a darna Craobh Lochgarman is the chéile thug Naomh Máirtín aiger champagne na hair na Fianna and mouth a cara canis AIB line ag an deir seachtainna. Níor a bhach ceir chuilín idir na fór na mouth le canis na bliana scata nor a fór na Fianna an láb an óchtar. Tréis bliana de díon bhachnavugs le buntáiste balle an aireochtas na Fianna Lochgarman rán csinsta a chlí. Nún gurach na champagne rahan na Fianna lena rúher. Má darma donacha a hamon trátrachta.
Ahruan Genta ag Naomh Máirtín a seo Aaron Maddock a teach Lorna Park and Michael Codd. Neart Imrory le tahidir chunda a seo Dahi Waters, David Codd, Barry O'Connor agus Fechern, Lina Lanthusach Jack agus Rory O'Connor. Michael Lynn Fianna, while ta Ahruan Genta compute chama, tag an Joe Kavanagh is teach an Dermot Clerkins Lina Ron Chool, Toss Hagan Galera Kechamas a Vichy Joe, nor Wushi Crave the Globe and nor Conor McHugh, Liam Rush, on Loaders, Lord Nain, cousin to Brian Ryan, Lord Park, agus Tossa, Donald Burke, Sean Curry, agus AJ Murphy. Martin na Fianna. Agus ní man ropa nor hid Naomh Máirtín a chop. Agus ba shit well no gan fidig chance ak barish. Overs wahan chinnig Micheál Murphy. Za Curran line, Chamala Curran na Heron. Can club na goal attack Jin took up in the Dachod. Got Ryan Chinish. Na Darren Codd, the third fence broke. Darren Codd a Bulga Jazz, sorry fast down. Can't score. Tasíisiil búlteisteach, meascán an teag na cin ada agus na cin gear can fada scuilteisteach an sin ag Liam Rush, Briste Síos, fáte Colin Curry, Ceannais, Curry, Geraint Greamer, go on, Curry, a Brandó agus Curry a chur thar a trasnán. Dar a scór ag na Fianna. There's a shed of origin. It's a fork Mangalore trying the Bosch go there. Three fast assets in his fortunate. Rory O'Connor, Brandor, Spruckhogs, Rory O'Connor, neither gave or short for Chadwick's Lochgarman, action gentige. Some folks here, Budset, Trastan Parke, Strachs the Spas. Turning his shirt, Tan Nimmerson down to the right, AJ Murphy, Tan Buntosh Ege, so Beshan on third, fin score, is Fitzige, my books here, morning Irish, near and Gaulish books here. Boston Ceannais, Donald Burke captain for the Slowning Donald. Shall have caught again Chin, Sashin, Lawyer Talhock, Tan Nimmer to Lannocht. I'm ready to end of the Spalach, which are Congress come out. Which attacks the Boston, she gave a catch Aldrich, Barry O'Connor. Over Wanchanik Barry, Tasha Sloan Hedgen, Sloan Slow Cubby Herton Rob Edger, Nice Farner Sloan, Michael Coleman, Jerrogs, the Gentle Gajastiga. Conor McHugh, Fanactive Ken in the park. A piece of desk in Chinnish, Colin Curry. Coramaga, Hofada. Peter Feeney. Can't try to chalk Traston of Feeney. Chief fought at Emirates. Someone cold. Sean Curry a damsha. Peter Feeney or Trasna. But it was reached. Cancer the goal Traston Chin agus that. Lancha Revisha turning his sheer kick culture. On Hyde to Zirich Marvi in the Leche Liam Rush. Or Nan Leshi or DVO Minicalor. Donald Burke puts it to table in Donald Burke or a goal and Ashen score Ian to Donald Burke. She's the team and was the first Maddock Arish, Maddock adult sheer. For the Barry O'Connor. Barry O'Connor, Chuck Traston, Ceannais, who's in our Christian Dugan, Jacko. Rory O'Connor, Ceannais. Rory and pass to Stach. Forty Jack O'Connor, Masha Swinnock, no, Masha Sausage and Golding, he'll make a major Swinnock Sher Cool. Cormorish. She's the team of Jin Cameron meets up Fada. Forty Donald Burke, Tasha turning his sheer, Howla. Number to Lannoch, Douglas Harry Traston, Brian Ryan. Oberwatch and Donald Burke, when he just shone a Craobh. Clantamachatí for the Peter Feeney. Oslin Peter and a goalie, Squidin Canmore, Father Strasta Gaunia Lella. Pass to Asco Ryan sin, agus tá seansa seán is éidir Murphy, which I took a contalon to number to land Roy, agus tá she's a goal, Nero to goal, Shasson on goal. Ní Roy J. Murphy cinnte go hurla, agus nó dus tátaí bhfuil an brat glas ordathe. Ba them reached. Pass go retrasta ag cinnte bhí sé tarring í siar, hitse, ach le lámháin, críochnaí. Kind of John here, Nish, the Rory O'Connor, Nish, Rory, Congo, Contively, Congo, Nordon, Agatara Traston, Rory O'Connor, Colin on at Turnish. So, Montana, us, Gordon Shot, Liam Rush, she's the Tiev. Pass Jasco Ryan, Shonish, Michael Murphy, Macher Tiev. Brian Ryan, Far Limney, Brian Ryan, Abola Or, Douglas Brian Ryan, Harry Traston, Go Hurling, Aris Barnishing the court, sorry. Ishel fad na talón. Marta eicimid go minic is ó bhfuil slasa. Smachtaí go háling jinni Jake Furman. Jasmar Dorda sé sin tá sí fósaí Jake. Rúhart an scohan seoigh Furman tá sé láidir tá skillige. Cant sé búte dá chomán. Sin can go scoran an lei. Or the Urca Joey Jake Furman. Suppose it was on Darnaslu. I thought for watching Rory O'Connor. Rory Gareth Shachanish, Toshi Fosig, Pascal Roiga, Chancer Coldbader, Cole, scorer to Barry O'Connor, Adamsha, Rory O'Connor, Croha, Agusanish, on Jesh for Hasaulu, Naomh Máirtín, on over Joey Rory O'Connor, off the over to Jenny Barry Kama. Brian Ryan, who's can more fad the Cluiche Stach. He vision the Gira. Craobh line, Craobh the hair and all in Yeafos. Rashid Shaunish, should you Colin Curry Ord, Colin Curry her a trust on. Meharash Kane. Pukamach. Callum Quirk. Pass all in shots as ball for Jack O'Connor, but Carcama calling the Jack O'Connor, tall, which I pass all in O'Dern Cod. George O'Connor and Chin. Here Leach. Hood. Nagarmanach. Canchan Butchistach Ishel. O'Donnell Burke chat to Jack Coolbar chat to Mach. Shell of called said that the Rainer Torlo Chonish can the hookers. As Shaw. Was a fotcha rash, Toshans, or Coolbader, August on Co Haratrasnon. Chapag Cooley on again, J. Murphy. Vishenis Hays cool all around. Spoopamach Chinnish. Is that she loaders in there? The counter boot to Haratrasnon. Ben Stafford. Coolin on Atra. Sean Chance Marshin, Rory O'Connor. August Toshi Butch out of Traston, I guess. Toshi Dimi Rashkud. Toshi Coram. Chance and Rory. Naomh Máirtín, Corkad Keane. Ace Gugama, the Rory O'Connor. Nish. With chance one Elif Hawkabader, Fianna. Brush Shase at Chennish. Kaivden Jesko, Liana. Jurabar V and Norha win of Fianna. Akam Liana. Tilted punch. Naomh Máirtín. It's in Collier, the Cliff of Laighean Lion.
The lads put in a huge performance. That comes from the squad, that comes from the team themselves. They got that out of themselves today. And I think coming in, the one thing you're worried about is will we get the performance that the lads deserved? And I think we got more out of that, and just so proud of the team.
We knew they were going to hit us for 2 goals, so we just tried to stay at it. And thankfully we stuck to the plan. It did take right to 64 minutes.
With 10 minutes to go, the whole place was rocking. I don't know how many people were here, but it seemed like there was 20,000 here at one stage with the noise.
It was a whole parish effort, and remind the lads on the field, so I think everyone just dug in, done their job. And even when the legs were out, we still just dug in again, so I was so proud. You know, we've won a couple of club titles, we have talent, so it's just great that we're really getting it out of ourselves, so I'm just so proud of everyone for just getting that performance out of them there today and coming out on the right side.